Hello, knife people. I like this knife very much currently for my big stag dressing. I dressed 2 stags straight with this knife. Currently, this is not satisfy my sharpness standard. Cutting paper edge is coarse. I don't think this apex has a microchip. 3B is very tough. This is a point different from LMAX. Anyways, I think this sharpen 1500 grit, 1500 grit is the right stone to sharpen the apex, not restoring microchip, not get rid of the micro bevel from the company. For those purposes, this sharpen 1000 grit is the light stone, but for this case, this is the light stone. Don't soak, just wet. This bark river is very easy to sharpen because this doesn't have a secondary edge. This convex, large radius convex geometry makes the apex. And this back bevel geometry is very shallow, which makes very small angle apex. Very easy to sharpen small angle out of the box. Then sharpening. No prohibiting annoying shoulder. No secondary edge. This is the best, easiest knife in the world to sharpen, in my opinion. Anyways, yes, relatively high angle, I tilt up the handle to the point. I like strong point. Yes. Not yet. Bar didn't come up yet. I add natural cradle motion to this convex geometry. Not yet. Okay. A little more for the belly line. Okay. Bar comes up all the way from here to here. Let's go to the other side. Strong tip. A long the geometry and sharpen. Yes, okay, all the way done. Okay. My most favorite finishing stone is this Chosera 3000 grit with this Nagra Tsurari. Never rotate like this. Just tilt up the handle to keep the important belly line. Okay, done. The bevel near the edge, apex, is shining all the way. Let's paper cut. Super sharp. Super smooth. Then stroke a bit. Only white compound. Finished. Wow. Crazy sharp. This is my standard. These two stones are very good. Sharpen 1500 and Chosera 3000. These are enough for regular sharpening. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye bye.